Alright guys, draw number 604, which is Vengeance number 1, first appearance of America Chavez. Let's get down here. Alright, the current time in Perth is 7:03, soon to be 7:04, and we are 7:03 on Tuesday the 17th of December. There's the date. We've got a list of 50 spots. At 50 we've got Danny, and at 1 we've got Ben. Let's roll that dice. Actually, let me check that. So at 50 we've got Danny. Go up to 1 today sometime. But Ben, oh, not this again. That silly cat for some reason. That's not even, it's just random. Okay, so 50 we got Danny, number 1 we've got Ben. 3 dice roll that, see how many randomizers we get. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9. Let's get this started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double check that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 to go. Good luck, everyone. And last one. Whoever wins, hit me up, and I'll send it out to you tomorrow. Let's have a look. See. Ben. Congrats, mate, with spot number 31. Well done. Message me when you've seen it. So that time is, oops, $7:06. The time is 7:06. Congrats, mate.